Okay, so we are going to look at this question, which is under IAS 2, and this is the first question we are going to treat under IAS 2. IAS 2, which is inventories. So we have this question, you can see it there. Let me read it. The question says, on 1st of January 2004, GHT PLC had opening inventories of 34,000 units at a weighted average cost of 11 naira per unit, and made the following purchase during the year, which is 2004. Date of purchase, number of units, cost per unit, and the total amount. So on 1st January 2004, the number of units is 18. Then cost per unit is 4. We have 180. On this date, March 17, 12, 204. May, we have 10,000, 16,160. We have on June, we have 19, we have 14, we have 2 6s. On September, we have 13, 15, 195. We have on November, we have 9,000, we have 20 naira, we have 180,000 naira. On December 1st, we have 10,000, 15,000, and 150. So the total cost is 1,335,000. Then the total quantity we have is 96,000 units. Then the question goes like this: the unit of unsold goods, that is closing inventories, as at 31st December 2024 were 30,000 units required. Calculate the value of inventory as at 31st December 2004 using 1, going to use weighted average cost. Then 2, we are to use FIFO method, that is first in, first out. So we are going to solve this question now. We are going to solve it. The question said we should use a weighted average. This question 1, we are to use weighted average. So to use weighted average, there are some things that we are going to look at. We now first of all have to look at our opening inventories. That is on first. We have to look at our opening inventories. This is let's say date. This is date. This is number of unit. And then we have cost per unit. Then we have our total. So let's draw it down. So on the first, this question says on 1st of January, so 1st of January 2004, which is our opening stock, right? So we have how many quantity? We have 34,000. We have 34,000. So if you look at this question, the question says 34,000 unit at a weighted average cost of what? How much? 11 naira. You see the 11 naira there? So we have 11 naira. So this 11 times 34,000, we have 374,000. So we are done with that. Then we can now go to the question here. look at it here. If you look at it, this one says on 1st of January 2004. That is the same date. How many quantity? 18,000. The rate is 10 naira. So 10 naira multiplied by 18, we have 180, which is this. So the next one is March 2004. How many quantity? 17,000. 12 naira. Total is 024,000. Then in May, the quantity is what? Is 10,000. We have 16,000 here to 16 naira. Sorry. Then 160,000. Then in June 2004, June, what do we have? We have 19,000 at what? 14 naira. Then 19 times 14, we have 26600. Then September, 1st of September, have 13,000, which is 15 naira here. Then we'll have 195,000. Then November we have 9,000. 20 naira, have 180,000. Then on 1st of December 2004, have 10,000 units. 15 naira, have 150. So if you look at it now, when you add all this plus 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 this, we're supposed to have 1,709,000. Please confirm that. Then our total quantity, when we sum everything, we will have 130,000 units. So please confirm the figures. So now, what is our weighted average? Is what? The formula for weighted average going to total cost of all inventory, including value of opening inventory, divided by total unit of all inventory, including value of opening inventory. So the total costs divided by total units. So what is our total cost here? Our total cost is 1,709,000 divided by our total quantity, which is 130 units. So this 130 unit, when you divide this, we'll have 13.15 naira. So this is what we have as at this is the cost average price. This is the average price. Then our closing inventory will now be this 130 units. If you look at this question said the unit of unsold goods is closing inventory as at 31st December, which is this cut here, as at 31st December 2004, were 30,000 units. 30,000 units. So this 30,000 units, we are now going to multiply it by 13.15. When we multiply it, we will have 394 394,500. So this is our closing inventory using weighted average. So the next class we are going to use the same question to calculate FIFO. That is the second requirement of the question. Now we are done with this. So in the next video we are going to solve this. Thank you.